She was a skater girl.
You can come help. You want to help me? Can you say coffee?
Papa.
Close enough.
Mama.
Starbucks who?
Almost done. Oh. Are you hungry?
Hungry? Hell yeah.
Is it yummy? Ooh, what about this one?
Let me add some syrup to it.
Madeline! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow!
Jesus. Holy mackerel, what was that?
All right, let's get dressed. Are we kind?
Yes.
Are you kind?
No. Are you pretty? Yeah. No. I'm not doing anything. Look at my teeth.
Show me your biggest smile. Good job. I love you. You want to put your boots on? Come sit.
I'm approaching with caution.
Oh, hi, Minnie.
Hi, Mimi.
What a fluffer ball.
That's so sweet.
I can't breathe.
What's next? Jacket. Zip. Good job. When did you get so big?
It's because it's
You're strong. Should we bring Minnie for a ride?
Yes.
Quit before she changes her mind.